Today I'm making about 700 ml of chicken chili sauce. This sauce is savory, sweet, and spicy. Perfect as a dipping sauce for any deep fried foods. It's convenient to keep in the fridge as it can last for about 3 to 4 months. The ingredients needed are 650 ml of white vinegar, 350 grams of sugar, 150 grams of red chili, clean and washed, 120 grams of garlic, peeled and washed, and half tablespoon of salt. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, prepare the chilies. Cut them into smaller pieces like this so they can fit into the blender. Blend all the chili until it resembles a very thick paste. If using a normal blender, add a bit of water to ease the blending process. Remove all the blended chili and set aside. Next, blend the garlic until it becomes a fine paste. It is not necessary to wash the blender before this. If using a normal blender, add a bit of water for easier blending. Remove all the blended garlic and add it into the chili. Set it aside. In a non-stick pan, add all the vinegar, sugar, and salt. Please avoid using aluminum or stainless steel pan as it might have some reaction with the vinegar. Stir the mixture until all sugar and salt has dissolved. This will take about 2 minutes. Then, switch on the heat to medium. Meanwhile, wash and clean the empty bottle to keep the chicken chili sauce later on. Let it cook for 8 minutes or until it comes to a rolling boil. Make sure to wear a mask and ensure the kitchen is well ventilated as the vinegar fume and smell will be very strong. After 8 minutes, the vinegar has come to a rolling boil. Continue boiling for another 5 minutes to fully remove the vinegar smell. After 5 minutes, there is less fume now and the smell is not as pungent anymore. Add the chili and garlic paste. Stir to mix until well combined, breaking up any lumps that forms. Alright, there are no more lumps now. Let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Stirring as the mixture starts to bubble up. After 5 minutes, a strong, sweet and fragrant aroma of chili is released. The mixture has reduced significantly as well. Switch off the heat. Set it aside to cool down completely. This will take about 3 to 4 hours. After 4 hours, the chicken chili sauce has completely cooled down. See, it's slightly thicker than before. Here's the bottle of the vinegar just now. Wash and completely dry. Attach a funnel at the top and pour the chili sauce into the bottle. Cover the lid and our chicken chili sauce is done. It can be kept in the fridge for about 4 months. I will serve the excess with my next meal. This chicken chili sauce will be delicious with any fried foods like popiah, deep fried chicken, or even tempura vegetable. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!